Well, every morning I have porridge for breakfast. This is what I do. That is what I use. Haraway Scotch oats, nobody else's. I've tried all the others, but these are the best. Some of the others are inedible. So I start off with a half a cup of porridge oats. This is a half cup scoop. I'm done with that, put it away. Then I have a very small sprinkle of salt. That is about all I need. Then a cup, thereabouts, of milk. I know on the packet it says use low cream milk, but this is just ordinary homogenised milk. It's a pretty good cup. And then just a little splash of water. Altogether it comes to round about a cup and a quarter to a cup and a half. Then it goes in the microwave. Full power, whatever you've got. On the packet it says 90 minutes, but I do it for 2 minutes 30. There we are. You can, if you like, put a spoonful of sugar on, brown sugar or white sugar or whatever you like. I usually use soft brown sugar. Which melts into it, and stir it up, leave it for a couple of minutes, and there you are. That's breakfast.